Hello guys, so here we have a very interesting question which may seem a bit intricate at the beginning, but as I solve it, I assure you, you're going to find it easy. Alright, so the question goes like that. We have to prove the product of x, y, z is equal to 1 by 8 provided a is equal to b to the power 2x, b equals to c to the power 2y, and c equals to a to the power 2z. Correct? So here we have it. Okay, let's entertain this and the third equation. So as I have to give the statement, therefore, we can easily write c equals to, a is equal to b to the power 2x. Alright, so can we substitute the value of a here in this equation? We can very well do it. So I'll try to be as systematic as possible, students. So here we can put in b to the power 2x, and again we have 2z. As usual, c equals to a to the power 2x, and for a we know it is equal to b to the power 2x. Alright, so this is the outcome of these two equations put together. So when we further simplify, you know that if this is m and this is n, we multiply the exponents. So 2 into 2 is 4 and x into z is xz. Alright, so we have therefore c equals to this. Correct? But what b equals to c to the power 2y, isn't it? Here b equals to c to the power 2y. So in this place, can we put this? Should we? Or should we put here in the place of b? I think the ideal would be if we put substitution or the value here. Correct? So let c be fixed there, and let's write in terms of b the value of c to the power 2, and this is the next one. So we have 4x z already there. Correct? We wrote only the value of b, which is from this. Correct? So now we have the thing here. One sec, I think I should put another this. So let's multiply this further, and what we get is 2 into 4 is c 8 x y z, and c here. So since c has a exponent of 1, whereas this c has an exponent of 8xyz, so we can compare their powers. So 1 equals to 8xyz when we are comparing the powers of c. The bases are same, therefore we can compare their power or equate them. So here is what we have tried to equate the powers, and we can reverse it for more clarity there. Therefore x y z is equal to 1 by 8. So hence proved. Okay, the contention was to reach there, and we have been able to reach there. All right, kids. So bye bye, have a great time. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video of mine or the channel, please do subscribe. It gives me a great amount of boost, or you should say a motivation for more videos. Thank you children, have a great time. Bye bye.